Cleaning the toilet doesn't have to be a dreaded chore, especially if you use a simple and effective method involving vinegar and baking soda. Start by turning off the water to the tank and draining the bowl. Then pour about 1 cup of white vinegar around the inside of the toilet, letting it sit for at least 8 hours. This helps tackle tough stains, particularly hard water deposits. Afterwards, sprinkle baking soda in the bowl. The fizzing reaction will aid in lifting dirt. Use a toilet brush to scrub the bowl thoroughly, focusing on stained areas. If needed, repeat the vinegar and baking soda process for stubborn stains. To clean the rest of the toilet, wipe down surfaces with a vinegar-soaked rag. Regular cleaning, ideally once a week, will make the task easier over time. For lingering odors, leaving bowls of vinegar in the bathroom overnight can help absorb unwanted smells. Keep vinegar and baking soda handy for ongoing maintenance.